Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Wix site SEO settings and collections, full guide step by step clearly. To back up your Wix site SEO settings and collections, begin by logging into your Wix account. Navigate to the dashboard of the site you wish to back up. On the left-hand side, look for the Marketing and SEO section. Click on SEO Tools to access your SEO settings. You will see various options including SEO Basics and SEO Patterns. To back up your SEO information, take screenshots of each setting page. You can also copy and paste important text into a document for easy reference. Next, go to the Content Manager option on the left sidebar. Click on Collections to see all your content collections. Select each collection one by one to review their settings. Take note of custom fields and any specific configurations you have set. Again, screen captures or documentation will help you keep this information safe. If you have structured data, ensure to record this as well. To back up any images, navigate to the Media section from your dashboard. Download all necessary images to your local storage. After you have backed up your SEO settings and collections, consider using Wix's Site History feature. This feature allows you to restore previous versions of your site. In the dashboard, click on Site History under the Settings tab. Review the backup options for your site to ensure you have the latest version saved. Now that you've documented your SEO settings, collections, and media, your backup process is complete. Store all your screenshots and documents in a secure location. Regularly update your backups, especially after making significant changes. This will ensure you have the most current settings saved for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.